Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
I hope many were able to get outside today because tomorrow rain is on the way, Caleb.
Yeah, that is correct. Today was a pretty nice day. We have nice conditions right now. Looking at the MSU Skycam, we are dry. Do have some clouds overhead ahead of an approaching system, but otherwise pretty nice evening out there. Right now 58 degrees at the MSU campus. Our temperatures elsewhere, we got 51 at Elma, 54 in St. John's, here in Lansing 58. Bunch of copycats at 61 degrees. Hastings, Charlotte, Mason, Howell 60, Ann Arbor 61, 61 in Jackson, down in the south 57 at Hillsdale. Hey, here's a satellite and radar. Nothing in terms of the radar right now, but we do have a good deal of cloudiness overhead right now. As I zoom out, your eyes and mine turn to this potent swath of precipitation stretching northwest to southeast, arriving into Chicago right now. Expect that to continue lifting our way over the next 12 hours or so, eventually bringing that unsettled weather to us tomorrow. Let's go ahead and time it out for you. Tonight, we will see those clouds continue to thicken up. That cloud layer will thicken and lower as we move through the overnight hours and that system approaches us. By the morning hours, we will see the rainfall arrive beginning in our southwestern counties, then pushing northeastward. Periods of heavy rainfall. I think we're going to have a little bit more coverage as compared to what this is showing right now, but what it is doing a good job at is highlighting the fact that we're going to have some very heavy rainfall rates at times, especially for our western and northern counties. That's where we're going to see the most rainfall. You can see that continuing through Sunday night into Monday morning. We do become more showery in nature on Monday, but that rain is going to stick around nonetheless. Now, the predicted rainfall, I wish it was a bunch of zeros, but it's not. We're going to see quite a bit of rainfall, widespread 1 to 2 inches. I think this model might be overdoing it a little bit, but the key takeaway here is that as you move to the western and northern counties, again, you're going to see a lot of rainfall. 3 inches is not out of the question, so we could see some higher rainfall. Even some spots may even pick up 4 inches in some of the western counties. Because of that, National Weather Service has issued a flood watch across the region going into effect tomorrow morning around 8, and then it's going to go until Monday morning at 11. Primary concerns: the Muskegon River, Kalamazoo River, and the Grand River. Those are already swelling because of the rain we had at the end of the last work week. Soil is saturated, so areas that typically receive flooding, those areas are going to be prone to it again. Ponding on the roadways. If you have to be out and about, just be aware of that. If you come to a flooded roadway, just turn around. Don't drown. Now here's the forecast for tonight. Low temperature is 52 degrees, becoming cloudy with rain developing late, again starting in the southwestern counties and moving northeast. We have an east wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now for tomorrow, again, not a very good day. We are going to experience heavy rain and thunderstorms, and again, flooding is possible. Now, another story for tomorrow. This has kind of been unfolding as today has been progressing, and so the models are starting to indicate some higher winds for us through the day. So we're looking at sustained winds picking up to around 15 to 20 miles per hour out of the east, with gusts possibly getting to around 30 miles per hour. I wouldn't rule out some power outages possibly tomorrow with those higher wind speeds. In some areas could even pick up slightly higher wind gusts. Now here's a 7-day forecast. Again, we got to get through. Tomorrow is the worst of the next 7 days. We will have showers linger on Monday with a high temperature on the cooler side at 60 degrees. Tuesday we get to 62. Showers do linger early on, but I think eventually that system finally gets out of our hair and we are left with mainly partly sunny skies for the afternoon. And then Wednesday, partly sunny, and then we got a warming trend for the remainder of the week, up to 78 by next weekend, Nicole.
Wow, Caleb, I will definitely look forward to that 78 tomorrow.